These are free parts that I was sent from my Bronco, and today I'm going to be installing these along with showing you guys how you can also get free parts for your vehicle. And before we get into free parts, I did want to talk about why I started this channel in the first place. And the main reason was simply to build a community of individuals that loves cars, loves modding them, and loves using them, whether that's on-road or off-road. So I cannot wait to continue to build this community and continue to see the channel grow. And with that being said, the first thing that usually pops up when we begin modifying our vehicles is the B word, budget. So that got me thinking, would it be possible if we could use the community that we're building today with this channel to help each other enjoy the process of modifying our cars without breaking the bank? And the answer to that question came when the company that we're working with today actually sent two of the exact same part out, just in different colors. So I reached out to them and said, hey, would it be cool if I gave the extra one away to a subscriber? They said yes, and that brings us to today. Every time that I am sent a free part for the channel, I'm gonna do my very best to also send one of you guys something similar, or at least something from the same company, so we can kind of experience it together. And since the channel is still really small, the odds of winning are super good. So I hope that this brings one of you guys watching some enjoyment at the chance of winning some parts for your Bronco. So as parts come in, the routine will be as follows. All you have to do to win the item in that particular video, including today's video, is like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment whatever you wish down below. I will give each video some time to simmer, and then I will choose a random subscriber from the comment section to win whatever the prize may be for that particular video. No purchase necessary as long as you are somewhere in the US. Now, with all of that out of the way, we can move on to the product for today, and that is a set of these hood lift supports. Now, all that these are a set of gas shocks and hardware so that you don't have to fumble with your prop rod on your hood every time you open it up. And in my opinion, every Bronco should have had these from the factory, just like the rear lift supports for the soft top that I installed up here. And a link to this specific item will be in the description. We are installing the carbon fiber white ones on my Bronco. The ones that will be given away to one of you guys are carbon fiber black. Now, as we move on to the installation, the instructions are literally 2 steps. So anyone should be able to install these on their Bronco. And again, we're working with smaller companies. This one in particular, Tsubasa is what it looks like. But these are like 36 bucks, maybe 50 for the ones that are wrapped in the carbon coating. But let's get these installed and see how they turn out. Okay, so the install is very easy, and I'm gonna show you guys. I already did the passenger side. Basically, you have this bracket that will go directly under the hinge, the main bolt for the hinge. Goes on top of the hinge plate, under the bolt. I'll try and show you some B-roll with the GoPro. Then they also provide you with this handy dandy little extension that you can slide it through this hole here. It will pop there, and you basically bolt the other end, the little ball that the shock clips onto, right through there, and I'll show you the finished product now. All right, so that is the install. It's about as easy as it gets. It's 2 bolts, then you wedge the little gas shocks on there, and that's it. Now I'm gonna leave the camera under the hood and shut it very slowly, just to make sure I didn't put something in the wrong hole and mess up the hood or bend the hood or anything. I have bad luck, so I'm gonna go slow on this one. I'll leave you guys on there to take a look. All right, it looked like everything closed perfectly. It actually opens up taller with the struts than the prop rod wedges it too, so that's a little extra bonus. But let's open it up and see what happens now. I'm excited, man. These are great. I'm excited for one of you guys to get these things as well. All right, this is the moment we've all been waiting for and anticipating. No more prop rod. Does it open? I was a little bit nervous, but yeah, it works perfectly. As a final note, guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and comment down below so you can get your hands on the extra set of these that I have. Going forward, we're gonna do this more, and even at this small scale, I am incredibly grateful and thankful that I get to do this and have fun just throwing parts on and documenting it all. So thank you everyone that likes and subscribes, and we will see you on the next video. Thanks again.